Huawei Nova 13 Pro has just launched, featuring a fast refresh rate 1.5K LTPO OLED display, a sleek design, and a flagship camera setup. Today, I'll be sharing the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Nova 13 Pro. Let's start with the unboxing. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky here. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more great tech videos. This is the box of the Huawei Nova 13 Pro in white, just like the previous generation. This is the 512GB storage variant, and it comes in a green color option. Let's remove the plastic from the box and open the lid. First, you see the phone, and on the front there are two punch holes. Next, there's the SIM ejector tool, user manual, clear case, a 100-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, and finally the data cable. Now, let's talk about the design. But first, many flagship phones are going to be launched soon, like the iQOO 13, Oppo Find X8 Pro, Realme GT 7 Pro, OnePlus 13, Xiaomi's 15 series, and Vivo has already launched its 2025 flagship series, the X200. I've uploaded unboxing and detailed review videos for all the X200 series phones, and you can find all the links in the description below. Also, you'll see the unboxing and reviews of all the other phones first on our channel. So to be the first to watch, subscribe and join our tech team. Now, let's talk about the design of the Nova 13 Pro. In every Huawei Nova series, there's always one main color, and this time it's green. The official name for this color is Loden Green. When you first see it, this green color doesn't look overly saturated. The back of the phone has a textured design, and I didn't expect a glass back on this phone. However, the back doesn't feel very special because nowadays many phones have different textures and patterns, so it doesn't seem new. Talking about the texture, the back has a checkered design, similar to a handbag pattern. When you change the phone's angle, you can see nice light and shadow effects. The company has officially named this design Check Wrinkle. You can also see the camera module design, which uses 5D glass material. Around the module, there's a superstar ring with the Nova logo printed on it. The camera module has dual LED flashes, placed at the top and bottom. The back of the phone has a matte finish, so fingerprints won't show easily. Let's turn on the phone now. It doesn't feel too heavy, and thanks to the rounded design, it feels nice to hold in the hand. Once the screen is on, you can see that it has curved edges on all four sides, just like the previous generation. This improves the viewing experience and gives a higher screen-to-body ratio. The screen also has a dual camera setup in a pill shape. The front camera is very powerful with a 60-megapixel ultra-wide lens and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. Talking about the rear camera, it has a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. In short, this is a camera-focused phone, and it also comes with an AI engine for the camera. I'll discuss the camera samples in detail in my review video, so stay connected to our channel. Additionally, the phone has a two-way satellite communication feature, available only in China, which allows you to send and receive messages even in areas with no network. The phone has a 5,000 mAh battery and supports 100-watt charging. So that was my first impression of the Huawei Nova 13 Pro. The price for the base variant starts at 3,699 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £400 in the UK and $520 in the USA. So friends, what do you think about the design of the Huawei Nova 13 Pro? Let me know in the comments section. I'll see you in the next tech update. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.